What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to sign up with the Viator affiliate program. Now there are three main steps involved to this process. The first one is you have to sign up with an affiliate network that allows you to become a Viator affiliate, and my top recommendation is a place like Travel Payouts, which is where I promote Viator offers. I happen to be an affiliate for this and other travel programs, and I think Travel Payouts is the #1 place for that. Step 2 is you then have to actually sign up with the Viator affiliate program in a place like Travel Payouts, and provided that you get approved, which is pretty easy to do through Travel Payouts, then step 3 is you then start promoting Viator offers as an affiliate through your blog, through YouTube videos, social media, wherever that is. Now I'm going to run you through these steps in more detail throughout this video to make that process simple. I'm also going to leave a link below this video to Travel Payouts so you can get started with that. It's free to sign up and become an affiliate with them. But before I do all of that, let me just quickly say that if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Vitaly. I cover the subject of affiliate marketing because I do this for a living. Besides these stats that you see over here, I do promote offers in other niches. In regards to Viator, I promoted through this blog that you see here called The Nature Seeker. And on top of these income reports that you see on the right, I also make money online with this website through things like ad displays and other things which encompass this income report that you see here in the last 30 days. Now, I say all of this because I teach people about this stuff, and if you're someone that's new or struggling and you're trying to create something like a travel blog like I do here, and you need help getting started with that, I'm going to leave a link below this video to a free case study for beginners that you can get started with, which also includes an action plan and other awesome bonuses to basically follow in my footsteps to help you create something like this as well. So that out of the way, like, share, and subscribe, and if you have questions, let me know below this video. But getting back to the main point, the first thing to understand is Viator is one of my personal favorite travel affiliate programs. It's not the only one that I use, but it is one of the main ones that I personally promote. And the thing is, if you want to become a Viator affiliate, you actually have to sign up with a more major affiliate network. And in my personal experience, the best one for that is Travel Payouts, which is where I promote my offers for Viator from. It's free to sign up with them. I'll also include a link below this video so you can check them out. But basically that's step 1. You have to sign up with a program like Travel Payouts before you become a Viator affiliate. So once you sign up, the next step is to actually sign up and connect to the Viator affiliate program within a place like Travel Payouts. So let me show you what that looks like. You're going to head over here once you sign up into where it says programs, click the down arrow, click on all, and that's going to take you to this area here where there's 58 programs. Now, one of these programs is Viator, and what you're going to want to do is where it says start typing the brand's name is you're going to type in Viator. And as you can see, it pops up over here. Now, I'm already approved to be a Viator affiliate, but in your particular case, this check mark is not going to be here. And let's assume that, visitors coverage is Viator in your case. You're going to want to click on details, and then you're going to want to click on connect to program. In your case, it's going to say Viator, but once you click on connect to program, there's about a day or a few days of a waiting period to get approved, but that is pretty much the process. And once you get approved, you're going to have a check mark. And then what you're going to want to do is get links to promote your Viator offers. So when you go into this area, and provided that you're already approved, you're going to go into tools, you're going to go into links over here, and see where it says create a link. This is where you're going to create your affiliate links. Now what you're going to want to do is either link people to the main Viator page or do what I do, which is link to specific pages. So if you're promoting the best things to do in a specific national park, link to a Viator page that talks about that specific national park over here, put the URL over here, and you'll get your affiliate link here, which you will then put into your blog, your YouTube videos, wherever it's relevant. And you can do that for any page on Viator. But once you become an affiliate for Viator through Travel Payouts, you'll be able to do this, and that's how the process works. And I also recommend Travel Payouts because on top of Viator, you will also have access to many other affiliate networks, including Viator, TripAdvisor, Booking.com. There's a whole bunch of them here. I'm personally promoting, I think, from 5 or 6 of them, but there are a lot of opportunities in going through travel payouts as an affiliate, including signing up and becoming a Viator affiliate. So that's how it works. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Again, if you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. And once more, I'm going to leave a few links below this video in the description and pinned comment. One of them will be to a complete case study on how I make money with this travel blog, including with Viator's affiliate program, as well as these stats you saw here, and just as well a link to sign up with Travel Payouts, which is my #1 recommended travel affiliate network to become a Viator affiliate, TripAdvisor affiliate, and a bunch of other places which are encapsulated in these 58 programs. So thanks a lot for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.